Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have some confirmed spoilers for the BoxyCharm base box in January. If you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and set that bell, that way you don't miss none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which were some spoilers found in the December BoxyCharm base box. Congrats, Lisa415. Lisa says, hi, Mandy, I'm first. Why, yes, you are, love. I really appreciate you having your bell on. And thank you so much for supporting my channel and stopping by. I love you, girl. If you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so here is one of the January BoxyCharm base boxes. And as you can see, it's only got 4 items, so there's still yet another one to be revealed. And you know they'll be revealing other variations and stuff like that. But in this one, we see the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette. Now you're either going to get that or the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. And then the next thing in this box we see is the Glow Recipe Sleeping Mask. This is the 30 milliliter bottle. And then next we see the Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter, which has already been confirmed to be in a January box. And then last but certainly not least, and this is one of the new ones I couldn't figure out. I seen that little white box beside the Glow Recipe in one of Joe's Instagram videos and couldn't figure it out. But it was the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. So that will be in the box as well. Now guys, I almost forgot about the Pretty Vulgar Concealer that will also be in the January BoxyCharm base box. And again, I don't know which ones of these are going to have variations. I know the palettes, those two are going to be variations. Guys, at the time of recording this, Joe put out an update on these items. So actually the palettes and the Dr. Brandt are all 3 going to be variations. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the clip.
With a bit of a correction. Those will be the items you will choose on Monday. We noticed quite a few of you claiming that they want to choose more than 2 options, and it was coming down to the fact that Sam has fatigue of eyeshadow palettes, and we decided to change direction and give you the ability to choose those 3 items versus the highlighter or the concealer. We will make the change. You will still have the other items in the box, but this is going to be your second sneak peek, but what you're actually going to choose. So it's coming down between the Dr. Brandt 24 hours retinol eye cream or the Scarlet Dust and the Vintage Dawn, right? So those will be the 3. That's what it's going to look like in your box so far. Oh, and there will be another item, which is going to be the Glow Recipe. It's not for everyone, but many of you will receive the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, right? So that's one of the items that you're going to have here. And well, this bag is full of air, so it's not really sturdy. And imagine a highlighter over here, which you can use, or the concealer, and then many other items that you're going to have. Really cool box. Can wait for January. And that's it. For those of you who are in Miami, I don't know about you, but I know I am going to enjoy the Art Basel today. There are quite a few events. It's going to be fun. Say hi.
Hi.
Where are you from? Tell them the name of your company.
Beauty.
Awesome. So they'll see your product in the box very soon, right?
Hopefully.
Awesome. Hi guys. Shh, don't say nothing.
And as soon as they start revealing anything else, y'all know I'm going to keep you updated. I got to keep you in the loop. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congrats, Mona. Is it Zawogski? I probably said that wrong. I know I butchered that. Anyways, Mona says, you're too funny. Well, thank you, Mona. I really appreciate that. You know, I try. I have to do something to keep y'all's attention. But I really appreciate your support, honey. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life. That's what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's It's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another spoiler, you don't miss another video of mine. I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check them out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.